In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through your Shopify settings to manage your taxes and duties, ensuring that your store operates smoothly and complies with tax regulations. If you're a Shopify store owner, understanding how to tweak these settings is crucial, and I'm here to guide you through each step with ease. First things first, let's open up Shopify in your browser. Navigate to the Shopify website and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Shopify dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, where you can manage every aspect of your store, from products to analytics and beyond. Next, let's dive into the settings. You'll find the Settings option usually at the bottom left of your dashboard screen. Go ahead and click on it. This section allows you to tweak numerous operational settings, but today our focus will be on managing taxes. Once you're in Settings, look for the option labeled Taxes and Duties. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to tax options. This is where you can configure your store's taxing rules to align with legal requirements and the needs of your business. Here you'll see various options for handling taxes on products and shipping. Scroll down until you find a section titled Global Settings. Within this section, there's an option that reads Include Sales Tax in Product Price and Shipping Rate. By default, this might be enabled, meaning that the prices displayed to your customers include sales tax. Deciding whether to include tax in your product prices is an important consideration that can impact your pricing strategy and how customers perceive your prices. If you prefer to display product prices without the sales tax included, you'll want to uncheck this box. Doing so will ensure that taxes are added at the checkout stage, making them more visible to your customers. This approach is often favored by businesses that operate in multiple regions with varying tax rates, as it provides transparency and clarity in pricing. If including taxes directly in your product prices is your choice, simply leave the box checked. Either way, you'll want to ensure that the settings reflect your business's needs and the tax requirements of the areas you sell in. Once you've adjusted the setting according to your preference, you're all set. There are no additional steps required for this particular adjustment. By following these simple steps, you've successfully managed one of the pivotal aspects of e-commerce management. Remember, properly configuring taxes in your Shopify store can not only keep you compliant with the law, but also influence your overall pricing strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more practical Shopify tips and insights.